Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are creating a 3D modeling of this bracket part in this software. For creating this part, we are choosing the right plane for making first of all this T section. Then go for the extrude command, select a plane, draw a simple sketch. Draw a simple sketch. Simple sketch. By first of all, it's first step to create the simple sketch, and then next step is to right now I am making this connecting this center of this line to the this plane, and here is also one of the rectangular. That's why we are creating this and trim this part and connect the center of this line to the this plane for the constraint. We are connected this part, this line to this plane. The sketch part is right now completed. The remaining part is to give the dimension for this sketch. We are giving the dimension for the sketch. This is 8 mm. This is 34 mm. This is also 8 mm. This total length is 54 mm. That's why we are giving it 54 mm. See here, we are completed all sketch as well as dimension part, and right now the sketch is ready to convert into 2D sketch is ready to convert into 3D part, and sketch is also fully constrained. Then close the sketch and give the extension value, whatever the extension value is 32 mm plus 6 mm is nothing but a 38 mm. So here this is 32 and this is 6 mm, means totally 38 mm. Give the 38 value and say enter. Click anywhere on the user face and finish this command. The next part, the next step is to create this vertical plate on this face.
ते सगळं त्या याच्याला टाकावं लागते, आपल्याला काही जमत नाही. आपलं काम फॉर्म भरणं, सह्या करणं.
For this sketch, choose a sketch command, select a plane, then draw a sketch. Draw a sketch. See here somewhat we are missed this point and this point. Then we are connecting both point by connect command. We are connected this one. See here, then the bracket height is 38 mm. Then we are giving this height is here 38. This is 38 and this is 34 mm. 34 mm. See here, this is somewhat relation. The sketch is somewhat look like something wrong, but nothing is wrong here. and one thing is wrong. Just we have to connect in the center of this line to the this plane, then it is okay. See here, our sketch is correct as well as fully constrained and ready to make it into 3D. Then close the sketch, give the extension value, and extension value is nothing but is here 6 mm in the front side, in the direction of front side. Give the value 6 mm and give the direction in the front side. Click here and say finish and close the reference place. Here the part is here is this part is created and is completed, but this cylindrical part is still remaining. For this part we have to create by extrude command and select plane. On this plane we are creating this circle. Draw a circle simple and give the dimension for the circle. This is 22 and it is not fully constrained, so make it fully constrained and give the dimension, and its center is at 19 mm from this face, so give the dimension 19 mm from center. Then close the sketch and give the extension value as 10 mm. Then it is this part is created right now. Then there is a hole on this cylindrical face. Then take a command cutout, or otherwise hole. I am choosing for cutout. Then select a face of this part or feature. Then draw a simple circle on this part and give the dimension for this. Sorry, we have to give the dimension for this. Dimension is 14 mm. Then close the sketch. Give the extension value in the reverse direction to make a hole, and we are choosing here through next option to make it, and click on the direction to backside and simply say finish. See here guys, our part is ready. We can see this, our whole thing is completed, but still one thing is remaining here to make the simple 2 mm chamfer on this sharp edges. For that we are creating chamfer on this. Take a chamfer command, select edge, this and this, and give the value 2 mm and simply enter and come out from this command and make it as asymmetrical simply, and save the part. Right now I am saving this part. Yeah, see here guys, our part is totally completed, and see here our part is look like that. How it look like. So guys, if you like this videos, then click on my subscribe button and subscribe my channel Fat Tenor, and in future watch my videos on this side. Okay guys, bye.